Welcome to the LangSolution AI learning platform. Type in ai.langsolution.com into your web browser. You will see a login page. Type in your email and temporary password. Then press Login. Bravo! It is important that you change your temporary password to a new password. Remember this later. Ensure that you choose a strong, secure password that follows the requirements. I will use a strong password. Then press Update Password. If it worked successfully, you will be navigated to the dashboard page. LangSolution AI has many features for the best possible learning experience. Let's view some of Sherlin's videos. Navigate to Resources in the left sidebar. Press Videos. Navigate to Task 1 Videos.
In this video, we will start learning the best strategies for Task 1.
From the Videos page, press Welcome in the top left to view the dashboard. Then press the blue Go to Assignments button at the bottom of the page. You will be transported to the course view. You will be unable to view the other weeks until time has passed. Let's open a Week 1 assignment. Simply press Week 1. Let's do the first assignment. Press Practice 1. You can test your audio devices, but this is optional and will be skipped. After reading the slide, press Continue to view the next slide. You can always go back. Follow the instructions in the top bar. When you are ready, press Continue. At this stage, you will be at the final slide. Read the prompt carefully. After you are ready, be aware of the following rules. You will have 60 seconds to respond. 45 seconds for Task 1. Your response should be at least 30 seconds. Start speaking after the beep. Let's begin.
I disagree with the statement that technology has had a negative effect on relationships between friends and family. One of the reasons why I think this way is that we can now share important moments from our lives on social media. Not only this, but we can also have instant video calls and messages whenever we want. For example, when I moved away for college to a city that was more than 1,000 miles from home, I was able to keep in touch with my family and friends back home through regular video calls and group chats. Moreover, we even set up weekly virtual dinners where we would all eat together while video chatting. Also, my friends and I use social media to share updates, photos, and stories about our new experiences in different cities.
The report will generate. During that time, you will see a loading screen. The report has now generated. Please wait up to 60 seconds for everything to render. This has been sped up.